Hey everyone. Just kind of wanted to give everybody a little update on. It seems like I've been working on like 3 or 4 projects at once, and I got a new microphone that's supposed to work with my phone. So I just want to see if the sound quality is good, and then I don't have to do like all the voiceovers and stuff. It's a lot easier to think of things to say like on the fly than it is to try to have to remember what I wanted to say, and I may miss some key points. But so a while back, I'd started working on this 12 volt DC light project. I got these lights in here, kind of in this little hallway area, and I was able to get the lights done here in the shop as well and get those up. It's nice and bright. So I was finally able to order the rest of the lights. They're going to go back there in that darker part back there that we kind of use kind of for storage right now and kind of a workout area. But and then eventually, to officially end that project, is I'm going to put some outside lights. I have a carport underneath here, and there's no lights underneath of it. There's these lights. Those are the old AC lights, but I want to get some LED kind of floodlights out here and put them up here. So I've got, the wiring and stuff like that, ready. I even got a little hole punched out here in the box, and I got the switch, but just got the lights. So just need to put in the work to get that done. So we'll go ahead and shut these off, and then that way this area back here will all be lit up, and we can start cleaning some of this up a little bit. So just then to kind of start at where we kind of left off. So this room is a bedroom. All the sheetrock work is done, primed, painted, put in a little accent wall, which I think is kind of cool. So I had originally bought some wall lights that I was going to put here, and unfortunately I just didn't really like the way that they looked. I may use them somewhere else, but so the next step is to start to install the ceiling and get the ceiling lights up and stuff. So that's kind of the next step, but obviously that's a pretty big cost, since I'm using 1x6 tongue and groove, and so when the money comes in, we'll be able to start working on that. But in the meantime, went ahead and started doing some work in the closet. I did a video on a floating shelf, which is the shelf right here. I'm going to be making some more for this closet. And then a Facebook friend of mine, a long time ago, like probably over a year ago, saw this fireplace that was here, and she thought, that it was going to be a big travesty of covering it up and having it in the closet. So to be kind of respectful to the rustic look of that, I went ahead and I left the hearth. We'll use it for something, put shoes on or whatever. And then I just took some of the metal and covered up the actual fireplace opening part there. So the brick there will stay exposed, and the brick there will also stay exposed. So so this room, making some progress in here. So while I was waiting to go ahead and get the supplies and things for the ceiling in here, I went ahead and removed the old drywall that was over here on this side. As you can see, they kind of framed out almost kind of like two little cellars, or kind of like little canning pantries. I just use it, kind of for storage, and stuff. But the doors, there were two doors here. If you remember from previous videos, there were two doors there, and they looked pretty hideous. They were horrible. So they're going to get replaced, probably maybe with some barn door style type things. But anyway, that's going to be re-drywalled. And then obviously we got this side that's going to get drywall. And I have extra pieces of drywall, but I'm kind of afraid to put them up right now because I'm going to be carrying boards and lumber and things in and out. And you know what's going to happen. As soon as you put new drywall up, you're going to hit it with something and make a gouge or tear the paper or something. So, and then the one thing I wanted to point out too was this kind of rough sawn timber that was used in some of the framing of this, the shelves and the uprights and stuff like that. In this day and age, lumber like that is actually super expensive. It's kind of in high demand. People like it for making beams and things like that. And this is what they were using in everyday construction in this house. So pretty cool. And then I also, for a future project, there was some paneling up here at the bottom of the stairs. And I was pretty sure that there's a closet above it, which is kind of in the living room. It's kind of like a coat closet, and there's no light in there. So for future, I want to run electrical to that closet from down here, and it's going to be on the solar side of things. So that'll be the first thing upstairs in the main living area that will actually be run off of solar. So it's starting to kind of creep up upstairs to the main level, which is exactly what I wanted. So turns out I was right, and this is the floor of the closet up there. So I just have to figure out a good way to do that. And like I said, I took this drywall off, and here you can see there was a previous leak. It's super dry now, but you can tell that there's been a lot of water that was running down that wall. Most of it was caused by the guttering system, which has been fixed, so good to go there. So that's about it for this video. Let me know what you think. Put it down in the comments. Let me know how it sounds. Of course, I'm going to listen to it when I do some editing or whatever, but let me know how it sounds with this new mic. If it works out really well, then I won't have to do all those voiceovers. So anyway, have a good night. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and get the notifications when a new video comes out. I know I haven't been putting out a whole lot of videos over the last couple of weeks. It's just been really busy, and I've been trying to get stuff done. And as most YouTubers will tell you, trying to record oneself doing things and trying to actually get things accomplished can be very difficult. So anyway, just trying to get everybody caught up, and everybody have a good and safe week. Later.